Hello, today I want to show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but can't surf any website or application. As you can see, when I open any app in Play Store, my phone doesn't want to open it, either with Google Chrome and YouTube. The fix is simple. You go to your settings, system, date and time, and then just enable use network provided time. As you can see, everything works now. I can open any Google app or my YouTube. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment and like.